Hi guys, this is Michael at Speak About Digital. In today's video, we'll be discussing the To-Do List Google Sheet template, a useful tool for organizing your tasks and increasing productivity. It's available for purchase on my Etsy shop, but you can also just watch this video, get inspired, and build your own layout. I'll showcase the key features and provide a detailed example to help you identify which cells to fill and which are automated. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how to use this template and how it can benefit you in your daily tasks. So, let's get started. The to-do list section is the center of the template where you manage all your tasks. It's divided into different sections, each serving its own unique function. Let's break down these components to ensure you fully understand how to leverage them for efficient task management. At the top of the page, you'll find the Overall Progress section. This area is divided into three columns: completed, pending, and total tasks. These columns are designed to provide a quick and comprehensive view of your task progression. Next to each column, you'll find complementary blue columns. These columns aren't meant for manual input, instead they function as automatic calculators. They'll do the calculations for you, determining the totals for completed tasks, pending tasks, and total tasks. This feature provides a clear visual representation of your productivity and task management, giving you valuable insights at a glance. Next up, you'll find the Priority section. Here, you'll classify your tasks based on their urgency: high, medium, or low. Assigning a priority level lets you manage your time and focus effectively, tackling high priority tasks first. Similar to the Overall Progress area, you'll see blue columns next to each priority category. These columns automatically calculate and display the number of tasks under each priority level, providing an instant snapshot of your workload distribution. Moving on, we have the Status segment. This is where you'll update the current status of each task, marking them as in progress, not started, or completed. Having a clear status for each task helps you easily identify what's been accomplished, what's underway, and what's yet to be tackled. Again, blue columns are present next to each status category, calculating the data automatically for each category. This facilitates an immediate understanding of your task's progress. Finally, the Sort By function is a handy tool that lets you organize your tasks according to various parameters. You can choose to sort tasks by their due date and sort them in ascending, ASC, or descending, DESC order. This assists in managing deadlines and ensuring tasks are carried out in their order of priority or scheduled timing. Choosing ascending will display your tasks from the lowest to the highest value based on the sort option. For instance, if you're sorting by priority, tasks marked as low will be displayed first, followed by medium and then high priority tasks. On the other hand, choosing descending will display your tasks in the reverse order, from the highest to the lowest value. The sort feature is an effective tool to personalize and manage your task view. It leverages the power of organizing information effectively, thus allowing you to prioritize and track your tasks efficiently. Beneath these main sections, you will find several rows that are dedicated to specific aspects of task management. Each column serves a distinct purpose, helping you to comprehensively manage your tasks. The first column is the Done column. This column serves as a visual tracker for completed tasks, creating a distinct separation from finished, ongoing, or not started tasks. The Done box can be manually checked or unchecked. It operates entirely automatically based on the status or progress columns, as we'll explore later in this video at these specific columns. The next column is the Task column. This column is essentially your task title. This is where you write down what task you need to perform. Be concise yet clear in your description to remind your future self accurately about the task specifics. The next column is the Category column. It allows you to group your tasks into different categories like personal, work, family, etc. Sorting tasks by category can help you to focus your efforts and manage multiple areas of your life or work simultaneously without confusion. The priority column can be set as high, medium, or low according to the importance or urgency of the task. By prioritizing your tasks, you can ensure that critical tasks are taken care of first and lesser tasks do not consume disproportionate time and energy. The due date column represents the deadline for your task. This column is crucial for time management and meeting deadlines. Entering a due date for each task helps you stay on schedule and reduces the risk of missing any important deadlines. The days left column shows the number of days remaining before the task's due date. This column is automatically calculated based on the current date and the due date of the task. It gives you a clear indication of how much time you have left to complete each task, thus helping you manage your time better. Following this, you will find the progress column. This column allows you to track how much of the task has been completed, usually represented in a percentage format. This helps you to visualize your progress and provides a sense of accomplishment as you move towards task completion. Here, you will find a progress bar represented by two colors, which reflects the completion status of your to-do task. As you adjust the percentage value, the progress bar adjusts correspondingly, giving you a quick visual update of your progress. It's important to note that you control the percentage, not the progress bar, which updates dynamically. The status column provides a quick overview of where you are with each task. The status can be marked as not started, in progress, or completed. This column is essential for tracking your progress and identifying what needs to be prioritized. It's important to note that there is an automated relationship between the status column and the progress column and the done column. When the status is marked as completed, the progress is set to 100% and the done box is automatically checked. Conversely, if the status is different, the progress is set at 50% and the done box remains unchecked. Additionally, setting progress at 100% updates the status to completed and checks the done box, while setting it below 100% switches the status to in progress and unchecks the done box automatically. As mentioned earlier, the done box cannot be manually checked or unchecked. Its operation is entirely automatic and depends on the status or progress columns. Finally, the note column. This column is for any additional information or details about the task you may want to jot down. You can use it to note any relevant details, resources, or reminders related to the task. This column is particularly useful for tasks that are complex or require multiple steps to complete. By accurately filling each column with the appropriate information, you can maintain a detailed, organized, and efficient to-do list that effectively supports your task management. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to use the to-do list Google Sheets spreadsheet. So if you want this exact one, make sure you use the link in the description down below to purchase. I hope you found it informative and helpful in planning your next tasks. Remember, effective task management is crucial for productivity and success, so make the most out of this template to take control of your tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to message me on Etsy or on email. I'll do my best to respond to all questions and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.